Now, here's the bathroom. And as you know, the bathroom ceiling came down, and directly above the bathroom ceiling was the mezzanine, which now isn't there. But obviously, all of the mezzanine fell down into the bathroom. So I just had to clean up all of the straw that had fallen in here and all of the crap that was on the floor. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of heavy, wet crap. And out here, we've got 5 bags of hay. Hello, viewer. It's clobbering time. We are in the bathroom that is actually in the barn. So this internal area is going to be removed. Well, the concrete blocks on the outside of it are going to be removed by the big digger. Busted down concrete floor here because it's garbage, taken away, get back to the dirt, dig out all of the dirt, put it in your concrete floor. Before I do that, I need to take out this plasterboard and polystyrene internal wall because that can't go into the recycling or be buried or whatever. So, on we go. Well, I'm warming up nicely already. I'm going to lose this. rather a lot. Polystyrene and plasterboard all over the floor. But as you can see here, what we've revealed behind it is that what I was hoping was going to be a doorway has been blocked up. You can see a wooden lintel above it. It's not particularly big wooden lintel, but maybe it'll allow me to remove that blockwork. I don't know. I don't think so, though. I think that's going to have to be covered up. The reason I say it was going to be a doorway is that this is what used to be the doorway from the barn out to the back garden. So if you imagine that cavity there, here we have the doorway which has been pierced through the party wall into the new end, and beyond you can see the doorway from the new end out to the garden. So there were two doorways side by side. Above this piercing you can see what appears to be a poured concrete lintel. Hopefully that's good enough to stay. So let's just wander outside and you can see what I mean. So this is what I've laughingly been calling the vestibule, the lobby. On the left is the doorway which goes into the new end. On the right is the larger doorway which used to be the doorway into the barn. And there used to be a party wall which you could see that they've pierced to allow access into what they created as a bathroom. So this is going to be rebuilt as a lobby. There'll be a wall along here, and you can see the remains of the wall here. Under there, you can see the remains of the stone wall that was originally there. And you can see what used to be a doorway here out. And then this is what used to be the boiler room and will now be our bathroom. And then back to that doorway, which goes into the new end. Anyway, that's enough for today. Please like and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.